Hey everybody, I'm back with a quick tutorial video. So I'm going to show y'all how to get this animation that I have here on this landing page. So this is really easy to do. You just have to get a plugin called Lottie Files. And the way you get that is click that plus next to plugins. You look for Lottie and it'll show up. And as you can see, I already have it installed. So I'm going to hop right in. So you click on Lottie Files plugin, search for whatever it is that you're looking for. In this case, I was looking for something NFT related. So I searched and I found these really cool cards in this animation. So I decided to use this. So you just click insert and it will be added to your artboard, and then you can resize the item to your choosing. All right, so once you got it wherever you want it in whatever size, you hit play, and as you can see, it just works. So now I'm going to show y'all some options that you can change. You can make your animation, let's say, play on click. You can also make it have no playback at all, but in my case I wanted to make it a continuous loop, so I just hit that button next to those options. And as you can see, it's highlighted. When you hit play, it just keeps on looping. So yeah, that's how you get animations added to your Adobe XD.